Hello, brothers and sisters. If you want to earn money by working online from home, and you think we can't do anything, or what will people say, then this video is for you. If you have a laptop and an internet connection, you can start online work with low investment. Many people want to earn money without investing anything. But always remember one thing. If you invest money, you will make money. Business always works with investment. If you don't have the budget for the USA market, you can start Amazon in the UAE or in Saudi Arabia. Do not think that Amazon is too big and we cannot work there. People who are working on Amazon today are just like us. They are normal people. Believe in yourself, because the future is all about AI and online work. Factory jobs and labor work are slowly coming to an end. This work is very simple. Find one product, buy it, sell it on Amazon, and earn profit. If you are really interested in learning, you can DM me. I will guide you, step by step, completely free of cost. No fees, no payments. Thank you.
I will personally guide you, step by step, showing you exactly how to start, how to find profitable products, how to list them on Amazon, and how to sell them to make a real profit. I will teach you everything, from choosing the right products, to managing orders, to understanding customer needs, so you can run your Amazon business confidently. You don't need to worry about the process, because I will show you the simple, practical steps that anyone can follow, even if you have never done online work before. This is your chance to learn, to change your life, and to start earning from home. All I ask is that you take action. Reach out to me, and let me help you build your online business. Remember, success doesn't come without learning.